This message is being transmitted by the Canadian government. A hack occurred almost an hour ago. A Windows XP professional got possessed by an unknown hacker. The cause is currently unknown. Technical support have been contacted and got rid of the hack. Remember, the hacker may come back at any time. Regular programming will continue momentarily.
Why is my computer frozen?
This is the update on the emergency alert issued moments ago. Normal broadcasting has been suspended during this horrifying event. The hacker had returned and installed a random scary pop-up on the same Windows XP Professional computer. Everyone that owns a Windows XP Professional or any Windows computer, please turn them off and unplug it. This is a serious situation. Officials will get to the bottom of it immediately. Again, normal broadcasting has been suspended during this horrifying event. Please shut off and unplug all Windows computers along with the computer monitors.
System completed. Power on self-test. Computer now booting from operating system.
This is a pirated copy of Windows XP. Please turn off the computer and install a legal copy of Windows XP right now. It is a serious crime to pirate software, as we at Microsoft do not tolerate software piracy. Pirated Windows copies will not pass Windows Genuine Advantage and is a serious offense by the United States copyright laws. Please shut down the computer now.
This is an update on the emergency alert issued moments ago. Please stand by for the message. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. screen showed up on another computer. A Windows XP professional computer is known as a pirated copy. Officials and Windows Computer Technical Department have confirmed that the Windows XP professional computer that was pirated was declined. The same possessed hacker had it installed and police made investigation. Check your local news and radio stations for more information on this possessed hacker. Normal broadcasting will be continued momentarily. A new and last emergency alert for Canada. After several investigations of the possessed hacking, police and technical support of Windows found a ghost who was behind this case. As now the ghost is gone forever, anyone who owns a Windows XP can safely use it. This concludes this activation of Alert Ready Canada. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Regular programming will continue momentarily.